So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add video to your homepage in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on Shopify. So that's the first step. It will look something like this. On here you will need to go to your sales channels. So on here and you will see your online store. Click that. After that you will see themes, pages and preferences, and you will need to click on themes. So from here, once you click on themes, you will see underneath the theme that you've added. So you can see it says current theme, you can see the three dots right here, and you can see the customize button right there. Click that customize button. On here, you will see some sections. So if you don't already have some video that you want to add, you can just go ahead and add a section. You can see this part here. You can also see that you have an image banner, and you can click on it to edit it. If there is no video banner right away, just click on add section, and you can see search for sections, and you can just scroll down until you find video, and you can see here the option that says video. If you click on this, it's gonna load and it's gonna give you the option to select which video you want to add for Shopify hosted video, or you can even embed a video from URL. So just paste some YouTube video or some other media that you want to use through here. You can even add stuff to it like a cover image or alt text and stuff like that. So it's really useful to know. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.